Very good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope that you are all fine and safe. Today, we are discussing one of the important topic in 10th class. Coordination in plants. Phytohormones. Plant growth substances. What is meant by plant growth substances or phytohormones? The substances which are required to increase or decrease the growth of the plant body. The substances which are required to increase or decrease the growth of the plant body is called plant growth substances or phytohormones. What are phytohormones or plant growth substances? Phytohormones like auxins, cytokinins, gibberellin or gibberellic acid, abscisic acid, and ethylene. Auxins, gibberellins or gibberellic acid, cytokinins, abscisic acid, and ethylene. These are the different types of plant growth substances or phytohormones released from various parts of the plant body, secreted from various parts of the plant body. These substances required or essential to increase or decrease growth of the plant body. These are chemical substances. First of all, auxin. Auxin is a natural chemical substance. Auxin promotes activity of the vascular cambium, vascular tissues. Auxin promotes activity of the vascular cambium and vascular tissues. It is play an important role or key role in fruit development, cell elongation, acid growth hypothesis. Auxin works by causing responsive cells to actively transport hydrogen ions from the cytoplasm into the cell wall space. Auxin works by causing responsive cells to actively transport hydrogen ions from the cytoplasm into the cell wall space. Next, auxin helps cell growth, cell elongation, promoting the cell growth of terminal buds, fruit formation. Auxin also helps cell growth, cell elongation, promoting the growth of terminal buds, fruit formation. Next, another important phytohormone, cytokinin. This is essential cell growth. It promotes cell division, cell differentiation. Cell growth, cell division, cell differentiation. Cell growth and cell differentiation, it is in the combination with the auxin stimulate cell division and differentiation. Cytokinins in combination with auxin stimulate cell division and differentiation. Most cytokinin produced in root apical meristems and transported throughout plant. Most cytokinin produced in root apical meristems and transported throughout plant. It is also helps inhibit formation of lateral buds, lateral roots. It is also essential inhibit formation of lateral roots, lateral roots. Next, another important phytohormone, gibberellins, gibberellic acid. Gibberellins are named after the fungus Gibberella fusicuri. Gibberella fusicuri, which causes rice plants to grow abnormally tall. It is synthesized in apical portions of stems and roots. Important effects on stem elongation. The name gibberellin after the fungus Gibberella fusicuri, which causes rice plants to grow abnormally tall. Gibberellin belong to a large class of over 10,000 naturally occurring plant hormones. Next, another important plant growth substance, plant hormone or phytohormone, abscisic acid. Abscisic acid. Abscisic acid is also produced in the roots in response to decreased soil, water potential, and other situations in which the plant may be under stress. Abscisic acid is also produced in the roots in response to decreased soil, water potential, and other situations in which the plant may be under stress. Abscisic acid then translocates to the leaves, where it rapidly alters the osmotic potential of stomatal guard cells, causing them to shrink and stomata to close. Abscisic acid then translocates to the leaves, where it rapidly alters the osmotic potential of stomatal guard cells, causing them to shrink and stomata to close. The abscisic acid induced stomatal closure reduces. The abscisic acid induced stomatal closure reduces. Some known actions: stress response, stimulate stomatal closure, inhibit premature germination of seeds, embryogenesis. Abscisic acid is also helps stress response, stimulate stomatal closure, inhibit premature germination of seeds, embryogenesis. Next, another important plant hormone, ethylene. Ethylene is in the form of gaseous state. Gaseous in form and rapidly diffusing. Gas produced by one plant will affect nearby plants. Fruit ripening. Ethylene helps fruit ripening of fruits. Epinasty, downward curvature of leaves, encourages synthesis and abscission. Initiation of stem elongation and bud development. Flowering. Ethylene inhibits flowering in most of the species, but promotes it in a few plants such as pineapple and mango. Ethylene helps flowering, inhibits flowering in most species, but promotes it in a few plants such as pineapple and mango. Okay, my dear students, these are the important plant hormones. Many species of plant function are controlled and regulated through the action of hormones. Many aspects of plant function are controlled and regulated through the action of hormones. Plant hormones are secreted from different parts of the plant body like leaves, stem, root and fruit. So this is one of the important topic in 10th class, coordination in plants, phytohormones and plant growth substances. Thank you one and all.